Hey guys, for this video I want to show you a couple of bird feeding items. We'll go over some of the features and then go outside and see how the birds take to these guys. Here in my hand I have the iBorn Suet feeder, the copper top. They were nice enough to send me this for free so I can make this video showing it to you. And on the right we have the KT Wild Berry High Energy Suet. Little suet cake guy that you pop into the feeder. See, it makes sense. That's the feeder, this is the food. You put them together and you got a nice little package deal. Here's the thing. On the suet, you got to make sure you get good suet. I've had real good luck with this KT brand, but I've had other brands where I bought a whole 10-pack and the birds won't take to it at all. It'll sit there for weeks and they won't touch it, and that's no fun at all. So you got to get the good stuff. I've really had good luck with the KT. We're trying the wild berry this time. So that's what it looks like. We'll load it up here in 1 second. Now, if we look at the iBorn, a couple of really cool features about it. One, it feels like it's really well made. That's some pretty thick metal we got going on there. And I like how easy it is to load and unload. You just lift this guy up and bam. And look at that. It's two-sided, so we can put the suet cakes on both sides, get double the action. You got the hanging hook here, make it real easy. I have some bird feeding stations we'll be hanging this from. Also, drainage holes at the bottom. That's very important. You wouldn't want a solid plate here because even though it's got a lip, you don't want the suet sitting in water. You know, you want it to drain out to keep it dry. So perfect having the drainage holes. You can put suet on both sides, which is really cool. And this stuff is a universal size. Everything's going to fit in it. Let me show you how easy it is to fill this guy up. Some of these suets are a little bit messier than others. They do tell you to refrigerate them before opening, and that makes it a little bit easier. I didn't do that, but they tell you to. I'm just going to plop him out just like that. And drop it in. Put our lid back on. Oh, got a little extra. And look at that. Fits beautifully. Let's go outside, hang it up, see what kind of birds we can get.